Hi, I'm Daniel from Blue White, and in this video, I will review the 4 to 20 milliamp input for our S-Series chemical metering pumps. 4 to 20 milliamp input is used to remotely control the pump with an incoming 4 to 20 milliamp signal by setting a range of milliamp input signals to a given motor speed, flow rate, or RPM. To enable 4 to 20 milliamp input, open the app drawer, select 4 to 20 milliamp input, select settings to adjust the milliamp input values. Input the minimum milliamp value, input the minimum output, input the maximum milliamp value, input the maximum output. Confirm by selecting Save, and then select Home. Or, while in the 4 to 20 milliamp input, stop the pump and select the graph icon in the Settings menu to adjust the sliders to a desired setting. Confirm by pressing Save and select Home. Select Start to enable 4 to 20 milliamp input. Note, the output will match the pump's current setting. To change it, start the pump, press the green output bar until the desired output is displayed. Stop the pump. Select Settings to adjust the desired output. Note, 4 to 20 milliamp input will not operate in local mode. Thank you for watching this episode of the Blue White Academy. For further questions or assistance, please reach out to us at customerservice@blue-white.com. And for more information, please visit blue-white.com.